Today's topic that we're going to cover is how to draw a column chart in Excel 2016. The example that I'm going to use is applied to a sports club with the different sport activities and the total members per sport activity, and I want to represent it on a column graph in Excel. So the method is first select the table. First select the whole table, including the table headings, and then you click on the Insert tab. Then in the Charts group, choose the column chart. I am going to use the first example in the 2D columns. Click on it. And now there's our chart. But it's incomplete and not formatted properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to a new worksheet so that it is much clearer and larger. And so how to do that is, now on your ribbon you will see an icon called Move Chart. Just click on that. Then you have to click on New Sheet. I want it in a new sheet. Then give the new sheet a name. We will call it Members per Sport. Members per Sport. Type that in next to New Sheet and click OK. Right, now our chart appears on a new worksheet, much larger and much clearer. So our next step is to change the chart title. At the moment it says total, but that is meaningless. So let's change it to something that explains the chart. This chart gives the total membership per sport. So let's change it to total members per sport. Just click on the chart to get that accepted. Right. And now the next thing we want to add is the axis titles. Now to get to the axis titles and to add them, we have to click on the plus sign. This plus sign you see here on the chart. Click on it. That will add the chart elements. So click on the plus sign. And then you will see that one of the chart elements is the axis titles. Now just click next to axis titles. And then both the axis titles labels will appear on the chart. Okay, now just click the menu away. Then we go and click on the axis title label and change it to the x-axis title. Delete it and change it to types of sport. Types of sport. Okay, then the x-axis title is done. Then you go click on the y-axis title. It's a little bit difficult to delete because it's vertical. Just delete it. And then type the number of members. Number of members. Right, just click on the title to accept the label. Right, then we have completed it so far. And now one more thing that we can do is that we can color the different bars. If we want to indicate, give some, we can choose. If we want to accentuate one of them, we can color it. And how to format and color one of the bars is to double click on the specific bar you want. Say I want to change the color of the hockey bar. Then I see, at the moment you see these little dots around all of the bars. So if in this case it's going to change all the bars. Now go click on the hockey bar again. And then it will only format that bar. On the right hand side you will see that the pane that has the format thing of the background fill It appears here on the right hand side. Now click on solid fill. Then you can click on the color and choose your color you want. Right, I want it to be yellow. Then I choose on the color bar yellow. And then we're basically done with our first chart. So we can just now save the document, and we can represent, and our chart has been done. Now I want you to ask to please subscribe, and further formatting of charts is possible, and where you can add many different types of charts, many different formattings. If you have any queries or requests, email me at steelcrest.teacher@yahoo.com, and please subscribe. Thank you.